Hey guys, I just deboned a couple chicken thighs, and I'm going to go ahead and get a skillet hot with some oil in it and go ahead and pan sear those. And once that's done, I'm going to show you a really simple sauce that will take these chicken thighs to the next level. So I seasoned those good on both sides with some blackening seasoning, some black pepper, and some garlic salt. And I put them in a hot skillet, skin side down. Going to sear them on that side, turn them over, do the same on the other. Finish cooking them, and then I'm going to make a pan sauce, as I mentioned. I'll show you that here in just a few minutes. This don't take long. Chicken thighs, especially when they're deboned, don't take very long to cook. So there's what I'm looking for. I want it to get crispy and nice and golden brown. And I'll turn it over and actually back my heat down to medium, and I'll let it finish cooking right there. I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the skillet so they're nice and brown on both sides, cooked through, and I'll turn the heat on down just a little bit. Don't want this skillet super hot for this. You notice in this skillet's full of the drippings from the chicken, a little bit of the olive oil left, and some of the juices that cooked out of the chicken. I've got some diced onions and a little bit of garlic that I'm going to go ahead and put into the skillet. I'm going to saute that a little bit until the onions start to cook. Don't want the garlic to burn, so I'm going to make sure the heat's turned down nice and low. Just a couple minutes here like this. While that's cooking, I've got some Italian seasoning. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of that. Go in with a little bit of chicken broth or chicken stock, about that much, to deglaze the pan. Turn my heat back up just a little bit now. I want to pick up some of those pieces on the bottom that's still stuck. That's a lot of good flavor. Hit that with just a splash or two of some soy sauce and a little bit of butter. I just want to let this cook for a few minutes to kind of thicken up, cook down just a little bit, let that butter melt, sort of emulsify everything together, and also let the onions cook for just another minute or so they get tender. I think that's about the way that I want it, so I'll go ahead and kill the heat. Alright, so I'm ready to try this. The skin got nice and crispy on the chicken, and I made that pan sauce, so I'm going to get a bite. I'll try to get a bite that's got chicken and some of the sauce and the potatoes all at once. There we go. That's a good bite. That's good. Hope you'll give this a try. All you got to do is just use some chicken broth or some chicken stock. You can even do something different. I put a little soy sauce in there. That gives a little bit of salty flavor and kind of darkens the color of it up just a little bit as well. But be creative. Use any kind of spices or anything you want. Throw your little butter in there and thicken it up, and it will upgrade your chicken thighs or any kind of other chicken cut that you want to cook. I appreciate you all watching. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. I do read those, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you.